Ang ginagawa ng administrasyon dito, mga kabatas natin, they are actually degrading the Filipino people, bastardizing our tradition of having Noche Buena with our family, where everyone will sleep with a full, satisfied stomach. Sabi ni Raymond Salvani, this is also correct. Sanay kasi ang mga Pinoy na Noche Buena na handa na aabot sa New Year. Ganyan din sa amin. Yung spaghetti mo, well, ganito na yun, no? Yung spaghetti sauce. Tapos may spaghetti, di ba? Yung spaghetti sauce na yan, inaano pa yan, ginagawa ang pizza-pizzahan, ilalagay sa ibabaw ng loaf bread. Tapos ipapatong sa frying pan. Tapos magiging crispy yung ilalim. So, yun ang merienda. So, for about 1 week, yun yung kakainin nyo. Because Noche Buena was actually, or is actually a feast.